Welcome agency owners. Today we'll discuss an effective way for selling online listing services to help boost local businesses' visibility and reach. Online listings play a crucial role in attracting customers, and we're here to guide you on how to leverage this opportunity. Let's get started. Step 1. Highlight the importance of online listings. Online listings are like digital storefronts that allow potential customers to discover a local business. When having conversations with prospects, share relevant statistics and insights to illustrate the significance of online listings in today's digital landscape. What you want to do here is talk about how the customer journey is evolving, and these days it typically begins with a mobile search. In fact, 60% of Google searches are done on a mobile device, and 62% of consumers will disregard a business if they can't find them online. Instill the fear of losing. If they can't find you, they can't choose you. It's also important that they know that 36% of a local business's Google search ranking is determined by their Google business profile. A well-maintained Google business profile gets 5 times more views than an incomplete one. An optimized Google business profile listing includes information such as a physical address, hours, a phone number, category, attributes, and photos. It's more than likely a local business owner doesn't have time to constantly update all of this information, and that's your opportunity. Step 2. Identify their current challenges. Ask questions such as, are you struggling to maintain consistent and accurate business information across all various online platforms and directories? Do you find it difficult to update and manage listings across multiple directories? Are you missing out on potential customers due to incomplete or outdated information in your online listings? Step 3. Explain the benefits of professional online listing services. Here are a few key points to cover. Increased visibility. Optimized and accurate online listings help businesses appear prominently in search engine results, ensuring potential customers can find them easily. Consistent information. Managing listings professionally ensures that accurate and consistent business information, such as addresses, phone numbers, and opening hours, are displayed across various online platforms, reducing confusion and improving customer trust. Competitive advantage. By optimizing and actively managing listings, businesses gain an edge over competitors that may have incomplete, outdated, or non-specific information, increasing the chances of your customer attracting new customers themselves. Step 4. Tailor the solution to their needs. Present a clear and comprehensive plan that includes listing optimization, optimizing existing online listings with accurate and engaging content. Listing creation, creating new listings on relevant directories and platforms to expand online visibility. Regular monitoring and updates, ensuring listings are up to date with correct information including business hours, contact details, and promotions. Step 5. Share success stories and testimonials. To build trust and credibility, share success stories and testimonials from local businesses that have benefited from your online listings services. Highlight how their visibility improved, customer engagement increased, and revenue grew as a result. Real-life examples resonate with potential clients and provide tangible evidence of the value you can offer. Step 6. Offer a demo or trial period. This allows businesses to experience the positive impact firsthand, giving them a glimpse of how your services can boost their online presence. It also gives you an opportunity to showcase your expertise and address any specific concerns they may have. And if you're using a solution like Vendasta Listing Builder, you can show them just how easy it is to claim all their listings and publish consistent information across all those online directories and much more from one place to ensure their store can be found wherever their customers are. Step 7. Discuss pricing and return on investment. Emphasize that investing in professional listing management is a long-term strategy that yields significant benefits, especially when done in tandem with online review management services, social media, digital advertising, and so on. Provide transparent pricing details, highlighting how the cost compares to the potential revenue growth resulting from improved online visibility, increased customer acquisition, and an enhanced reputation. To sum it all up, online listings form part of the core building blocks of an effective online presence for local businesses. By highlighting the importance of online listings, understanding their challenges, and presenting a customized plan, you can help local businesses optimize their online presence and stay ahead of the competition. And if you haven't already done so, check out the link in the description below to see how Vendasta's industry-leading listing solutions can help you effectively claim and establish an online presence for your local business customers. Good luck with your sales efforts.